My channel. If you're new here, my name is Corielle from the Luxe Minimalist.com. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the new spring summer 2022 collection from Chanel Beauty. I'm so excited to film this video. I've already filmed it, but the sound, I had issues with my sound, so now I'm filming on my vlogging camera, so hopefully this is okay. I am sitting in front of my window so you can get a better look of everything. But right now I just have on my foundation and brows and concealer. I haven't put on any color products because I want to take you through the collection. So this is the La Pausa de Chanel. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I'll put it on the screen. This collection is just so beautiful, so glowy, and I was obsessed with everything. I picked up a few items from the collection, so let me just show you what I got, and I'll put all of the details on the screen because I can't remember off the top of my head the prices and everything, so make sure you are looking at the screen for that. But I'll start with the lip products. So they came out with a collection of Rouge Cocoa Balms, which are just these tinted lip balms, and I picked up the shade 914 Natural Charm, which is just this really nice neutral color. So that's what it looks like. It kind of has like a rose tint, but it's like a rosy brown tint, which I love. And as you can see, it comes in the white and gold packaging for summer. Normally it comes in the black packaging. And yeah, these came in really fun bright shades, but I'm a neutral lover. I like simple lips and eye color, so I picked up the more neutral shade, and I'll show you how this looks on. Then I also picked up some eye products from them. So I was the most excited about their eyeshadow palette. So this is the Lemire palette in 747 Mediterranean. Sorry, my packaging is a little bit dirty, but I'll show you close-ups and everything on the screen. And that, like I said, I already filmed this video, so it's not going to be in pristine condition, but this is what the shades look like. Very neutral tones. Some of them have more neutral undertones, and some of them have like more bronzy golden undertones, so you get a good mix. So I'm excited to show you guys how that looks on. And then I picked up two of their blushes. So these are limited edition blushes, and they're called Blush Lemire. So I got the peach shade and the more like plum shade. I love Chanel blushes. They have one of the best formulas ever. So this is the peach shade, and as you can see, it's embossed to kind of look like sun rays, and I love that. Like, I am obsessed. So these are more like light reflecting blushes. They call it illuminating blush powder. So there are little specks of gold in the blush, and I love, especially for summer, you want that more radiant look. And then the next color is the Broom Rose, and it's more of a brownish plum color, and it also has the same embossed pattern and the gold flakes throughout. So this one I feel like could be used year round. So super excited about that. And then the last product that I picked up from the collection is their Ombre Premier Lac in 46 Lumiere, and this is a liquid eyeshadow, which I was super excited to try. And then all of them are embossed with the gold Chanel logo. I'm like obsessed. I love the Natural Charm. Love the Rouge Cocoa Balm and Natural Charm. This is just something you can just literally throw in your bag and go. It's a tinted lip balm, but it does give a nice watercolor. I love the eyeshadow, like I said, it's so versatile. And then the blushes, like I am obsessed. Like I love how you can use them together or alone. And this might be like one of my new favorite discoveries from Chanel, the Lilac, or the Ombre Premier Lac. This is my first time trying one of their liquid eyeshadows, but I love how it looks. So yeah, that is the eyes, close up of the cheeks and the lips. So if you guys are interested in this collection, I will link everything below. I know that the eyeshadow was sold out on Chanel, but I'm pretty sure you can still get it at other places, or you can go in store. But yeah, I am obsessed with this collection. This is what I'll be wearing all spring and summer. Let me know if you guys end up getting anything from the collection. Let me know what you think about this makeup look, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.